Hello again. In this video, we will talk about causes and effects. When you do something in the present, there is always a possible result or consequence in the future. To express these ideas, we use will. Let's see how. In English, we can express causes in the present with a possible result or consequence in the future. This is called first conditional, and it is given by a present condition, and then you mention the possible result by using will or going to. Pay attention to the structure. The sentence is divided into two. The first part, the condition, starts with if, and then you mention the idea in present simple. The second part starts with will or with going to, and then it is followed by a verb in infinitive, as we checked before. In this chart, as you can see, we have again if as the introduction of the sentence, then we have the subject plus the verb in simple present. This is the condition, and it can be affirmative or negative, and then the complement. Use a comma to separate the sentences. Remember, they are divided into two. The second part is the result, which contains the subject plus will or want, depending if it is negative, or you can also use going to, and the different forms, plus the verb in infinitive, as we have already studied, and the complement. Let's check the examples. It says, if you reject plastic bags, comma, that's the condition, the possible result will be you will conserve the ocean life. And now it is in negative. If you don't reject plastic bags, that is the condition in the present, the result will be you won't conserve the ocean life. But we can also change it. We can put first the result, then the conditional if, and mention then the cause or the condition. So look at the example. Instead of saying, if you reject plastic bags, you will conserve the ocean life, you can say, you will conserve the ocean life if you reject plastic bags. Or the negative way, you won't conserve the ocean life if you don't reject plastic bags. If is in the middle of the sentence, and in this way you don't have to use the comma, because if is separating the sentence. Is it possible to make questions using the first conditional? Yes, it is. You just have to put will at the beginning of the sentence, then mark the subject plus the infinitive, as we checked before, the complement, and then mention if as the conditional part, plus the subject plus the verb in present simple plus the complement. Don't forget the question mark. Look at the example. Will you reject plastic bags if you want to conserve the ocean life? Here we have two short possible answers. The first one, yes I will, or the negative, no I won't. But since we are trying to be more eco-friendly, we are not going to say that negative answer. To finish up, remember that this kind of sentence is called first conditional. It expresses a condition or a cause that is based on the present with a possible result that is related to the future. It is possible to use will and going to for the result part. Remember to start always with if you want to introduce the sentence with the condition.